Okay, નામ શોધ મારું.
This ANA?
ના.
Oh, damn. Okay. This ABHISHEK. So easy. So easy.
Yes.
Why this peacock and why this elephant?
Because it symbolizes love.
Oh,
Yes.
nice.
येरा रांझा पल्ले दे मोर ना मंगा येरा रांझा पल्ले दे मोर ना मंगा येरा रांझा पल्ले दे मोर ना मंगा येरा रांझा पल्ले दे मोर ना मंगा
I came to India for a trip. My parents actually, one day just randomly, while I was working, I got Abhishek's biodata. It's an arranged marriage, but when you look at us, you won't believe that it's actually arranged.
અભિષેકે કહેલું જ કે તમે છોકરી શોધશો ને જે મમ્મી જેવી હોય ને મમ્મી શોધે એ મારા માટે ઓકે છે પણ સ્ટીલ અભિષેકને આશી મળ્યા એની પહેલાં એને કહ્યું હતું કે મને મિનિમમ કોઈની સાથે વાત કરવા માટે 6 મહિના જોઈશે અને ત્યાર પછી જ હું આ પડીશ એનાથી તમારે વહેલી ઉતાવળ નહીં કરવાની.
So we went on a coffee date. That was the first time I met her. We were talking since pretty long over text and everything. But you know, once I met, after it was a pretty 2.5 hour long date. And then, like while returning home, I realized that she barely spoke anything. So I was like, does she have a problem? She liked me. I had like n number of questions, and you know, I just called my mom and I was like, I don't know what's going on.
When I met him, I felt that our values met a lot. And the moment we saw each other, we disliked each other. Usually people be like, okay, maybe there is something, but I completely felt like, okay, no, this is not the right thing to do. But we met a couple of times and I realized that we were so aligned. It just felt like it's the most right thing I've ever done in my life. And then it was just simple. We just said yes. Just a couple of days I moved back, I unpacked every single thing. I left my job, I left my apartment, I left my bachelorhood, every single thing, and just tied the knot with him.
એને મળ્યા પછી બોન્ડિંગ એટલું બધું એ બંનેનું જોરદાર હતું કે વિધિન 2 months, બિફોર 2 months ઇવન એને હા પાડી દીધી બંને જણે ભેગા થઈ.
It's been a crazy year for us. You won't believe that it was just 15 days and we just said yes to each other. We were 100% sure that this is it and this is a yes for lifetime.
मेहंदी देवावे माळवे नो रंग गयो गुजरात रे मेहंदी रंग लाग्यो रे मेहंदी देवावे माळवे नो रंग गयो गुजरात रे मेहंदी रंग लाग्यो रे नानो दियरियो लाडकोने नानो दियरियो लाडकोने खाई लाव्यो मेहंदी ना छोड़ रे मेहंदी रंग लाग्यो रे हाँ मेहंदी देवावे माळवे नो रंग गयो गुजरात रे मेहंदी रंग लाग्यो रे मेहंदी देवावे माळवे नो रंग गयो गुजरात रे मेहंदी रंग लाग्यो रे मेहंदी रंग लाग्यो रे
शी वॉज सीइंग गाइस एंड मम्मी पापा को बहुत पसंद आ गया था. शी वॉज लाइक मम्मी पापा तो पीछे पड़ गए हैं, मेरे को ज़बरदस्ती बोल रहे हैं इसके साथ कर और ये तो पागल हो गए हैं, उनको बहुत पसंद आ गया है लाइक दैट. एंड आई हैव नोन अभी पहले से बिकॉज ऑफ कॉमन फ्रेंड्स. सो आई वाज लाइक ओ आई ऑलरेडी नो दिस गाय एंड ही इज़ अ ग्रेट गाय. एंड शी हैड हर थॉट्स कि यार ये तो बड़ा ही स्ट्रॉन्ग टाइप का अल्फा मेल टाइप का है. सो वी वर लाइक तेरे को संभालने के लिए ना कोई ऐसा ही चाहिए.
અમે 2-3 દિવસ એમાં પેલું ચણ બેઠક જેવું
ખોટી જગ્યા
He's a gem of a person. I'm so glad that she has found somebody who's so caring, so observant, and so affectionate and emotional as him towards her, because that is so actually so surprising and really nice to see, because that's what we've been growing up and like thinking of, looking forward to, and then finally she has this person for herself, which is like the most amazing thing. And he's super fun and energetic, like
Yes.
amazing.
I think he matches Ashi's crazy.
Yeah, perfectly.
आशी से एक कदम आगे तो आप सबको क्या करना है एक कदम आगे मैं कहूँगी आशी से एक कदम पीछे तो आपको एक कदम पीछे करना है Are you excited? आशी से एक कदम पीछे आशी से दोनों हाथ ऊपर आशी से घूम जाओ आशी से दोनों हाथ कमर पे आशी से कमर मटकाओ 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 आशी से stop कचरे के डब्बे में आचार का कचरा आशा का कचरा कचरे की डब्बी में आशा का कचरा नहीं कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़ कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़ कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़ कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़ अरे कच्चा पापड़ हो गया
खुशी इस बात की कि आज से अच्छे घर में जा रही है दुख इस बात का है कि हमारा घर छोड़ रही है
Yes and you guys have to not talk Oh my God! You have to make her laugh. You have to make her laugh. You can do, yeah, you can do whatever. Except, yeah. You can do whatever. Okay, we have 1 minute.
Stop! It's getting long.
Mommy's throwing daggers at you right now with rice.
I'm laughing at the hour because.
Okay. Now the people on the right, मतलब चक्की बहन वाली जो टीम है, उन्हें सामने वालों को हिलाने में मजबूर कर ध्रुव आप हिल रहे हो हाँ पहले से यार नहीं बोल देनी है हमें okay Chucky means Chaka Bhai is paying her back in the same coin he's like not very not moving Dhruv has moved already you so have अरे he doesn't like pending his spell क्या है you like okay I thought it was a terrorist okay Chucky Chaka के लिए दोनों तालियां हो जाए यहाँ पे head shoulders knees toes cushion oh that was so easy shoulders head shoulders knees toes knees head cushion oh head shoulders knees toes shoulders knees cushion
she's someone whose aura or vibe, I would say, is very happy in general. Like, she's someone who doesn't like conflict, and that's actually what a man wants, or anybody wants, yeah. That's peace. You know, when you come home from, you need peace. Like, after her work, my work, we both are working, and it's, you know, it's gonna be a mad day. Like, we're actually getting thrashing from people, but peace, like, I have never expected, but the environment she makes is very peaceful at home.
Jack in this bag, she kept on the tag, only to make all the petty or mad. I'm picking up on the reddest of flags, but shawty too bad, shawty too sexy about it. She know that she got it, she know that I want it, she bad. Popping that thing 'cause she got it, she push up and drop it, she turn every man to a fan. She got that, I give her that. Give me that action. The whole thing, not a fraction. Shaking it, shaking it, shaking it. Shorty shake it like she from the favela. Bring me that energy. Turn the function to a mela. Shorty going for hours. She don't stop. She got all the power. She's on top. If it ain't designer, she won't shop. Body made for summer. She did squats. I do what I want, but I do what she please. She hit in positions I couldn't believe. She call me Papi, she call you Baji. Doing the most, she do it for me. All that movement got me shook. I'm tripping over that body. Shorty dripping, she got sauce. I think she knows she a baddie. Jack in this bag, she kept on the tag, only to make all the petty or mad. I'm picking up on the reddest of flags, but shorty too bad. Shorty too sexy about it. She know that she got it. She know that I want it. She bad. Popping that thing 'cause she got it. She push up and drop it. She turn every man to a fan. She got that. I give her that. Yeah, she got that. I give her that. Shorty too sexy about it. She know that she got it. She know that I want it. She bad. Popping that thing 'cause she got it. She push up and drop it. She turn every man to a fan. She got that. I give her that. Yeah, she got that. I give her that. I give her the. I give her the. I gave him the steps. I gave him the manual. Gave him direction down to the angles. I know my crossover left him in shambles. I broke through. You broke your ankles.
यारों ने मेरे वास्ते क्या कुछ नहीं किया, यारों ने मेरे वास्ते क्या कुछ नहीं किया। 100 बार शुक्रिया, 100 बार शुक्रिया, 100 बार शुक्रिया, मिलियन बार शुक्रिया। तुम जैसे नहीं 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 ऐसे नहीं चाहिए। जो जिगर रखते हैं वो खुल के बोलेंगे, मुझे नहीं पता क्या बोलना है। 3, 2, 1 तुम जैसे, तुम जैसे ये दिल तुम्हारे प्यार का भरा है दोस्तों, ये दिल तुम्हारे प्यार का भरा है दोस्तों।
I enjoyed pretty too hard. आवाज की खबर पड़ती है ऐसे. I enjoyed a bit hard, but it was nice. Mehndi was nice. You see, I got a mehndi as well. So I made the peacock and the elephant, and kept Ashiana, the hashtag. You know the fun thing about the hashtag? So the Ashi has her full name, and where is my name? Everyone was asking, right? You know, so you see the S and H, that is me. Shh, because the men get shush after the match. So this is what I have been telling people about the hashtag.
come here. अरे लिप भी करिए पूछूं अंकल ने जो स्माइल हाय तो पहला क्या जो स्माइल
Say hi. Say hi to the camera.
If you see him, he is such observant. Like even if I'm sitting in a corner, his eyes are always towards me. He looks at the small details. If I had food or if I need something, even if I'm across the world, he'll always make sure that I'm okay. So that's something I always wanted in someone, and I think I found the one.
Hey, you samaya, in aankhon mein hai tera ye chehra, हंसी इतने दिनों में आई नजर में जग मेरा सारा हो रंगी दूर तू कितनी होगा ये कैसे सुकून को नसीब ले चलूं तुझे मैं राह पे अपनी मंजिल लागे करीब
How's the Josh?
I see so much love when the two of them are around. They are like the perfect pieces of the puzzle. They just complete each other in a very, very beautiful way. I think there's no one word to describe their love, but I think it's just the whole feeling that I get when I see the two of them together.
मिलना तुझसे है चाहे पे कहीं पूछूं पर कैसे मैं ये सवाल कौन करेगा शामों से हाँ चांद निकलने का इंतजार तू आएगी यूं सामने जब मौसम में आए बहार
I think when I look at them and the way they look at each other, I think it's more of a fairy tale. A fairy tale that is going to last, that's always going to be there, that's cute, that gives you those flutters in your stomach when you just look at them and you just go, oh, it's like that. That's how their love is. It looks very lovely. You look at it and you just want to smile.
आपको गाना गैस करना है, हाथ ऊपर करके बताना है कौन सा गाना है, सबको साथ में डांस भी करना है। मैं बताती पूछते हैं पहले, आपको पता है गाना?
हाँ गाना पता है, बोलिए। नहीं पता।
प्लीज बताइए गाना। नाम बताओ, दो ही बताओ। अरे ना, आप बताओ। 3, 2, 1 जाइए एंजॉय
आशिक एंड आशिकी
Ashi deserves the best things in life, and Abhi is the perfect person who can give her all of that. So they are just perfect for each other, and our best wishes are with them. We know they are going to rock it. They, as they said, they match each other's crazy. Yeah. So yeah, they are going to be the power couple, which we look forward to.
फोटो शोटो मैं लूंगा वादा ये किया एंगल शंगल तू बोले वैसा सोनिया इस दिल में तू ही तो है रहंदी रहंदी लगवा ले हाथों में तू मेहंदी मेहंदी
अपनी गली की मैं तो क्वीन हूँ पिया तू भी प्रिंस चार्मिंग सबको पता पीछे सब घूमे है प्लेंटी प्लेंटी एक दूजे पे ही हम है सेंटी सेंटी
लागी लगन तेरे नाल सोनिया तेरे ते सब कुर्बान सोनिया फिट्टी फिट्टी हर रात फिट्टी फिट्टी हर बात 80-90 सब पूरा तेरा हो गया
She's a sweetheart. Like, she has gelled with all of us so well. Like, doesn't feel like she's like a new person in the family.
I think she's somebody who will always go with the flow.
Yeah.
I give my whole life तेरे नाल चल दिया मैं ये सोचा लागी लगन तेरे नाल सोनिया तेरे ते सब कुर्बान सोनिया फिट्टी फिट्टी हर रात फिट्टी फिट्टी हर बात 80-90 सब पूरा तेरा हो गया
She is someone who brings out the best in my brother. She is someone who can actually manage to, like, you know, make him do things that he doesn't want to do that are good for him. I see the bond that she shares with my parents. I see the bond that she's created with me and my sister.
એવું કહે ને કે બહુ ઘરને સંભાળી શકે છે.
Yeah, she definitely
એ ક્વોલિટી એમાં છે.
आधी आधी बातों में मैंने जो लिखा है सुने इनको भी तू मेरी ही यही दुआ है पन्नों को मैंने ख्वाहिशों से भरा है खुश नसीब है तू हाँ है दिल तेरी राहों पे कारवां ये गुलाबी सा आसमां हो रहा है
અને આશીને પણ ખરો ફેમિલીને લઈને ચાલવાનું ફેમિલી સાથે બેસવાનું એટલે અમને અમારી જે બંને છોકરીઓ મોકલીને એ આશીમાં મળી રહી એવું ના લાગ્યું કે અમારી દીકરીઓ જતી રહી છે અને અમને જે જોઈતું હતું જે સંસ્કારી ફેમિલી બધું જ એનામાં હતું એના પેરેન્ટ્સ એના બધા રિલેટિવને બધાને એમ થયું કે ના આપણા ઘરને સેટ થઈ જશે
दिल तेरी राहों पे है चला मंजिल तो ना सही पर यहाँ दिल तेरी राहों पे
સૌથી વધારે આશીની એક બેસ્ટ ક્વોલિટી છે જે અભીથી ટોટલી ઓપોઝિટ છે. આશીને હોમ ફૂડ અને સેલ્ફ પ્રિપેર્ડ ફૂડ ખાવાનું બહુ ગમે છે, વેરેજ અભિષેક હંમેશા બહારનું ખાવાનું વિચારતો હોય છે.
I was a person I never used to eat at home, but I don't know, after eating like what she has made for me, I'm like I prefer more eating at home rather than going out. કરી શકીએ આપણે એમના કુળમાં જન્મ લીધો છે એટલા બ્રહ્મણે નમઃ અનંતાય નમઃ.
We used to go for pani puri or vada pav or both every other day because we used to live nearby and we used to be at each other's places after school. At one point our parents were concerned that we had like boyfriends or something. The only thing we were doing is having pani puri literally and getting into two-wheeler accidents literally.
આશી would say તને ખબર છે મને સિમરનનો વીકનો ખર્ચો ખાવાનો કેટલો છે.
Abhi also has been really protective of her.
Yes.
Even though he's the youngest out of the three siblings, he still, does his brotherly duties of,
I've never
checking
felt,
whether
I've never felt he's my younger brother. I've always felt that he's the elder one between the two of us. Sometimes I take that elder duty and sometimes he does. So,
yeah.
इन रातों की परछाई में नैनों की गहराई में सारी बातें तेरे साथ मैं राहों में मुनासिब हूँ दिन रैनों में मैं शामिल हूँ पर सारी बातें तेरे साथ लफ्जों को तू ही जाने दिल को मेरे पहचाने बाहों में बाहें डाले कारी बदरिया
Mixed bag of everything, like a little brother, friend, someone who was very notorious but at the same time extremely loving and caring and like an elder sibling sometimes.
लफ्जों पर तू ही आए दिल को मेरे सुलझाए बाहों में बाहें डाले कारी बदरिया
personally felt that she might be a spendthrift, but it's not. Like, she is someone who actually is like, she gets surprised when I started spending money. So it's the opposite way in our. It's something which I was surprised that, you know, how can a person not spend money? Like, and she's a very, very gem of a person. Like, I don't know, like.
आँखें मिली तुमसे जो थी वो पल हंसी तुमसा गया है लाज़मी मेरी खुशी एहसास ये
અભિષેકનું ચાઇલ્ડહુડ મારા માટે એવું છે કે ફ્લોમાં પાસ થઈ ગયું. બે બહેનો અને અભિષેક 3 જણ, એમાં સૌથી નાનો, એટલે બે બહેનો એનું એટલું ધ્યાન રાખે અને મમ્મી સાથે કે અભિષેક ક્યારે મોટો થઈ ગયો એ જ ખબર ના પડી. એનું 12th સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ અને ત્યાર પછી અભિષેકને અમારું બોન્ડિંગ બહુ જ જોરદાર છે અને હી ઇઝ વેરી ક્લોઝ ટુ માય હાર્ટ.
સ્કૂલેથી જાય, શોર્ટ્સ પહેરે અને પછી જ્યારે પાછો ઘરે આવે ને મને કે આંખો બંધ કર, ક્લોઝ યોર આઈઝ, અને પછી પોકેટમાંથી લીમડાના પાન કાઢે, કારણ કે હું એનો રસ બહુ પીવું ને, એટલે એને એટલું બધું ઓબ્ઝર્વ કર્યું હતું ને, એટલે પછી લઈને આવે ને પછી હું તારા માટે લાવ્યો છું લે. એટલે એટલો ક્યુટ લાગતો હતો ને, એમ થાય કે 3rd 4thમાં છોકરો આટલું ઓબ્ઝર્વ કરે છે મને અને મારું ગમતું આમ એ યાદ રાખીને લાવે છે.
I still cannot believe that this is happening. Like, I don't know, every time I look at her, there is like, I feel like I'm shedding one tear, but I'm just not showing it on my face. Like, you know, it's like my mom's going away. Like, I know she's still 10 minutes, but she's 10,000 kilometers away from me. But I just want to tell her, like I love you. I love you so much.
Love means that you complete the person. For me, I'm a hopeless romantic guy, and love means there's no boundaries. Like, you can go to limits, like standing there with each other till death do us apart. Like, that's my and Ashi's thing. Like, I always tell her.
Abhishek, I'm fragile. Handle with care. There is a big warning. Make sure everything you do. And remember the quote I told you, the wife is always right. So that we fight less and make more love.
दिल ये मेरा बहता गया इश्क में यूं तेरे और ये चेहरा खिलता गया देख के यूं तुझे अब ना मांगे मन मेरा कुछ भी तू मिल
You know, you'd go over the board for each other, but right, I promised her and I promise her now as well. Like, you met me on the day one and I'll be the exact same person on my last day. That is one promise I'll give to her.
दिल मेरा है जुड़ा तुझसे दिल मेरा है जुड़ा तुझसे सर्दी में धूप के जैसा है करता रोशन मेरा जहां मुझ में बसता है ऐसे तू रहता है मुझ में ही ना अब कुछ मेरा तू चले तू संग चलूं आंखें जरा जरा ये जान गया बिन कहे कुछ मेरे तू है मेरा ये मान गया उम्र भर के लिए जुड़ा तुझसे जुड़ा तुझसे जुड़ा तुझसे
Ashu, stress is mine, peace is yours, sadness is mine, happiness is yours. It's all worth it when I come home and you say I'm yours.
ध्यान रखना like I know that you are gonna keep her protected. I have seen you doing all the work. You guys are a very lovely couple. I haven't seen a more cuter couple than you guys. like the love you guys share, the bond you share, the conversations you guys have, and just the family values that the both of them have. Like, I just feel like they're gonna create a great family ahead as well. But I'm really happy for both of them. And Jiju तो है ही यार, muscular है, कौन ही कुछ कर लेगा उसको. So that's a good part. So yeah, I'm pretty happy for them.
हाइडारी साथड़ की आंगणियों छोड़े चाली आंगणियों छोड़े चाली.
Mom and Dad, I've always been a troublemaker. પણ હું તમને બહુ જ યાદ કરીશ. I think I don't say this very often, but I think they're very, very important to me. Though I'm 15 minutes away, but I still feel like you're the beat of my heart. હું તમને બહુ જ યાદ કરીશ અને અગર મારી પાસે ઓપ્શન હોત તો હું તમારી સાથે જ રહેત અને તમને લઈ જાત જોડે.
कागज के टुकड़े क्या कमाना तुझको कमाया जो सारे बोले ब्याह की बधाइयाँ ब्याह की बधाइयाँ ब्याह की बधाइयाँ सारे बोले ब्याह की बधाइयाँ ब्याह की बधाइयाँ ब्याह की बधाइयाँ हो.
We are very, very happy to make you our new family member. I mean, we've already spent so much time together, and we already feel like you're already a part of us. And she's always the younger sister I wanted. So I'm very, very happy for you and Abhi, and can't wait to have you home.
I would say happy wife, happy life.
Or I should say, wife is always right.
Yeah, I taught him well.
झांझरिया उसकी झनक गई चुनरी भी सर से सरक गई मेरी नजर उससे कितने पास है कितने दूर है चांद सितारे सच पूछो तो मन को
મારા સાસુએ મને એક એડવાઇસ આપેલી કે સમીરભાઈ ચાલશે ફાવશે ને ભાવશે આ ત્રણ વસ્તુ એક્સેપ્ટ કરી લો તો કદી તકલીફ નહીં થાય એ એમણે એમની દીકરીને ધ્યાનમાં રાખી પણ મારે અભિષેકને તો 100% કહેવું પડશે કે ભાઈ ચાલશે ફાવશે ને ભાવશે બંનેને આશીને અભિષેક
ચાલશે ફાવશે ને
ભાવશે હા
मतलबी हो जा जरा मतलबी दुनिया की सुनता है क्यों खुद की भी सुन ले कभी मतलबी हो जा जरा मतलबी दुनिया की सुनता है क्यों खुद की भी सुन ले कभी कुछ बात गलत भी हो जाए कुछ देर ये दिल भी खो जाए बेफिक्र धड़कने इस तरह से चले शोर गूंजे यहाँ से वहाँ सूरज डूबा है यारो दो घुट नशे के मारो रास्ते भुला दो सारे घर बार के सूरज डूबा है यारो दो घुट नशे के मारो गम तुम भुला दो सारे संसार के
Ask me for anything, I can give you everything. रास्ते भुला दो सारे घर बार के Ask me for anything, I can give you everything. हम तुम भुला दो सारे संसार के
पता रहे ना किसी का हमें यही कहे ये पल जिंदगी का हमें
अता पता रहे ना किसी का यही कहे ये पल जिंदगी का के खुद गर्ज सी ख्वाहिश लिए बेसास भी हम तुम जिए है गुलाबी गुलाबी समा सूरज डूबा है यारो दो घुट नशे के मारो रास्ते भुला दो सारे घर बार के सूरज डूबा है यारो दो घुट नशे के मारो गम तुम भुला दो सारे संसार के मतलबी हो जा जरा मतलबी दुनिया की सुनता है क्यों खुद की भी सुन ले कभी
चले नहीं उड़े आसमां पे अभी पता न हो है जाना कहाँ पे अभी
चले नहीं उड़े आसमां पे पता न हो है जाना कहाँ पे कि बेमन
good? Who is more shopping freak? किसे shopping करना ज़्यादा पसंद है? Who is a better chef? ज़्यादा अच्छा खाना कौन बनाता है? Who said I love you first?
Man, I got like $3 million in jewelry.
I can feel my body cause I pop a lot of molly. Welcome to the party, welcome to the drug party. Got a lot of thotties, yeah, I fuck a lot of thotties. Tryna fuck shorty, I'm just tryna fuck shorty. Welcome to the trap, got my grandma selling crack. I make what you making when you're sitting down just moving packs. Make a bitch who jumping jacks like she was an acrobat. Got these bitches looking at me crazy cause I got face tats. Ooh, drip, 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 I can knock a wife a bitch. Drop $5 million on my crib, now look pump is rich as shit. Ooh, and I'm still at my probation. Pop a pill, I feel amazing. You just broken, you just hating. All these diamonds on me skating, man, I do this every day. Spent 3,000 ounces of shade. I got bitches in LA, your boyfriend broken, diamonds fake. Welcome to the bar. Welcome to the bar. Welcome to the bar. Welcome to the bar.
Welcome to the party, I might tear your club up. 9 times out of 10, I'm probably drugged up. Speaking on my name just to get your buzz up. They say money talk, nigga, shut the fuck up. This is Uncle Juice, big cup full of juice. Pop a pill or two, fuck some on the roof. I'm so fucking hot, don't know who is who. She put it in my face, you should see my view. Rex, I threw a few, shake some, get some loose. I got good drink, Quavo 2 chains, yeah, I'm sipping. If these hoes wanted to be cuffed, they go to prison. Call a black card, Master P, it ain't no limit. Walk up to my party, we ain't finished till we finish. We ain't finished till we spinning. On the bar, tell them send it.
Welcome to the bar. Welcome to the bar. Welcome to the bar. Welcome to the bar. Baby girl, you can welcome to the party. Sipping on the lean, no, I don't do Bacardi. Ooh, slap a nigga and I don't say sorry. Ooh, for the bitch, then I keep it out the lobby. Ooh, yeah, baby, you a thot. Ooh, what? Cruising down the block with a Glock. Ooh, yeah, you a stupid ass bitch if I trust you. What? Baby, only tryna fuck you. Ooh, I'll fuck you in my swimming pool. Only if you cool and you bring your friend too. Next time.